Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the concept of operators in C programming. So, in this, we are going to see what are the types of operators and definition of operators and detailed explanation of its types of operators in this video. So, first we are going to see how the operators comes from. So, in the expression, we have two components. So, one is operand and other is operators. So first we are going to see the concept of operands. What is the operand? Specifies. So operand is nothing but it specifies the constant values or variable name. So and operators is nothing but specifies the symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific operation, specific mathematical or logical operation. The symbol is nothing but in this it specifies the symbol. This symbol is nothing but addition operation, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the symbols that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical calculation, that is said as operators. So for example we can say, so I'm going to say A plus B. So here what is operator and what is operand? So here the variable name A comma B is said to be operands, and the plus operators is said to be operator. The plus symbol is said to be operators. The constant values or variable name is said to be specifies the operands, and the symbol, that plus symbol, specifies the operators. Sorry, operators. So now you have get some idea of what is mean by operators and what is mean by operands. So now we are going to see the types of operators. Here we have 8 types of operators. So first operator is arithmetic operators, second is assignment operators, and third is relational operators, and fourth is logical operators, and fifth is bitwise operators, and sixth is increment or decrement operators, and seventh is conditional operators, and eighth is special operators. These are the 8 types of operators we are going to see in this video. So first we are going to see about arithmetic operators. So what are the operations performed in arithmetic operators? So in this, which perform addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication, division, etc. These are the operations performed in arithmetic operators. So addition operation specifies the symbol plus operators, which means which adds the two operands. Example we can say as A plus B. So subtraction operation performs minus operator, subtraction operator, so which is used to subtract the second operand from the first. So we specify the example as A minus B. So third is multiplication operators. So multiply symbols which is used to multiply the two operands. So example A into B, A multiplication B. So next division operation divides the value. So performs the division operation. So we specifies the example as A divided by B. So modulus operators. So we in modulus operators we get the remainder value as output. So we divide the value and get the remainder value as output in this modular operators. So example A modulus B. So in this we are going to see one small example program. So first, so hash include stdio.h. This is the header file of C program. You are whatever the program you will use in C program, have to use this header file. So this is the header file of C program, hash include stdio.h. So in the main we are starts the main function. So here I have get A and B value, A equal to 10 and B equal to 2 as the integer. So int A equal to 10 and B equal to 2. So now I am going to print A plus B. Print quotation percentage D slash n. The slash n is used for the next line. Print the value next line. So A plus B. So in this we get the output. So A value is 10 and B value is 2. So A plus B output is 12. So next I am going to print print A minus B. So A minus B means 10 minus 2. So we get the output 8. So printf next multiplication A into B. So A into B 10 into 2. So which means the output we get 20. So next I am going to print division. I am using division operation. So A divided by B. So A value is 10 and B value is 2. So 10 divided by 2, you get the output as 5. This is the simple example program for arithmetic operation. So second we are going to see the assignment operators. So assignment operators is nothing but assign a value to a variable. So in this we have few operators. So first is equal. So in this the rightmost operand assign a value from rightmost operand to left side operand. So in this the left side operand is B and left side operand is A and left side operand is B. So the value of B is assigned to A left side operand. So in this next operand is plus equal. So plus equal. So we specifies which performs the addition operation, adds the value of right side operand and left side operand and assign a value to left side operand. So in this we set A plus equal to B as the example. We can also write this as A equal to A plus B. So which means which performs A plus B addition operation for A and B operand and save the output in A left side operand. So this is the one of the example of assignment operand. Next minus equal. So subtract equal. So A minus equal to B. So we can this also return as A equal to A minus B. So which means it performs the operation of subtraction operation of A minus B and the value output is saved to A left side operand A. So same concept as into equal to. So multiplication equal. So A multiplication equal B. It specifies as A equal to A into B. So which means right side operand is multiplied with left side operand and the value is stored to left side operand A. So same concept is applied to the division equal. So A divided equal to B, which is specified as A equal to A divided B. A divided B. So which performs the division operations of A divided B and the value is stored to A. So same as modulus equal. So A modulus equal B, which means A equal to A modulus of B. So right side operand B is modulus with left side operand A and stores the value in A. So this is the assignment operands. So we can see one of the small program, simple program in assignment operators. So first I have written hash include stdio.h. This is the header file of every C program. So next I have opened a main function. So in this I have get a value A equal to B, assign a value A equal to B and C. So now I have assigned C equal to A. So left side operand A, right side operand A, assign a value to left side operand B. So A value is what? 5, right? So 5 value is assigned to C. So now I am going to print the value of C. So print of double quotation C equal to percentage D modulus slash n comma C. So in this I am going to I have printed the value of C. So now the value of C is 5. So because I have assigned the value of A to C, right? So C equal to A, which means the value of A is assigned to C. So now the value of C is 5. So next I have assigned C plus equal to A, which means So which means C equal to what's the operation performed in this? So C equal to C plus A, right? So what's the value of A? 5. And what's the value of C? It's also a 5, right? So 5 plus 5 equal to 10. The 10 value is assigned to C. So now I am going to print the C value. Now the C value is 10. So next step. So which means C equal to 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. So next I have assigned C equal to C minus equal to A, which means C equal to C minus A. So now the value of C is 10. Now the value of C is 10 and the value of A is 5. So which is equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So now I have printed the value of C. So we get the output as 5. So next C into A. So C into equal to A, which means C equal to C multiplication of A. So now the value of C is what? 5. So 5 and the value of A is same as 5. So output is 25. 25 is now I have printed the value of C, which is 25. So this is the one of the small example program of assignment operators. So now we are going to see about relational operators. Relational operator is nothing but which is used to check the condition. If the relation is true, it returns the value 1. If the relation is false, it returns the value 0. That is said to be as relational operators. In this we have few operators. First, equal to, which means A equal to, whether both the variable A and B which is equal means it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. So not equal to. So A not equal to B. Example, A not equal to B, whether the A value and B value is not equal, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. So greater than, if the value of A is greater than B, A greater than B means if the value is greater than B, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. A less than B. So if the value of A is less than B, so it returns, if less than B, it returns 1, otherwise it returns 0. So greater than or equal to, the value of A is greater than or equal to B, then it returns 1, otherwise it returns 0. So less than or equal to, value of A is less than or equal to B, it returns 1, otherwise it returns 0. These are the simple example. Now we are going to see about simple example program of relational operators. So you know what is relational operators to check the condition, right? So first I have used the header file. So hash include stdio.h. Next I have opened main function. Now I have assigned values a equal to 5 and b equal to 8. Now I have printed a equal to b. If the value of a is 5 and b is 8, so what's the output of this? A equal to b, so which is not equal, right? So the value is 0, which is not equal, so the value is 0. If it is equal means 5 equal to 8, no, so we have written 0. If it is equal means we return 1. Okay, so next printf I have print the value of a greater than b. So a value is 5 and b value is 8. So 5 is greater than 8. No, right? So it returns the value 0. Output is as 0. So next I have printed a less than b. If the value a value is 5, b value is 8. 5 less than 8 is condition is true. So it returns 1. Okay. So next a greater than or equal to b. So 5 greater than or equal to 8. No, it's not right, right? So it returns the value is 0. So next a less than or equal to b. So 5 less than or equal to 8. So condition true. So 1. So next a not equal to b. So a value is 5 and b value is 8. So 5 is not equal to 8. So the condition is true. So it return the output as 1. So this is the concept of relational operators. So now we are going to see about logical operators. So logical operator is nothing but which is used to combine the result of two or more conditions. This is said to be as logical operators. In this we have three operators. So logical AND this is said to be as logical AND operators. This is said to be as logical OR operator, and this is said to be as logical NOT operators. So we have in this, what is meant by logical AND operator means both the conditions are true. If we have two conditions, so both the conditions are true, we get the output as 1. If the condition 1 is true and condition 2 is second condition is false, so we get the output as false, 0. So for OR operators, either one operator will be true, it will get us 1. So which means either first condition is true or second condition. Either one operator we can get satisfied the condition, we get the output as 1. So NOT operator is satisfies if the condition is true, we get the output as 1. So here one small example we can see. Now I have assigned a value equal to 5 and b value equal to 2. So first I have given the condition a equal to 5, ampersand logical AND operator. So that is ampersand b equal to 5. So value of a value of a is 5, right? So 5 equal to 5, 5 equal to 5. Condition is true. So first condition is satisfied. So second condition. So b equal to 5. So b value is 2. So 2 equal to 5. No. So this condition is false. So what is mean by logical AND operator? If both the conditions are true, means we get the output as 1, right? So here first condition is true and second condition is false. So we get the output as 0. Here we get the output as 0. So next logical OR operator. So same a equal to b, or b equal to logical OR b equal to b greater than 5. So a value is 5. So 5 equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. So b value is 2. 2 greater than 5? No, right? So condition is false, but in logical operator either one condition is true, we get the value as 1, right? So here first condition is true, second condition is false. For a logical OR operator, we can get either one operator is one condition is satisfied. So here we get the output as 1. So next logical NOT operator, a equal to 5. So a value is 5, 5 equal to 5, condition satisfied. So not equal to we have given. So in this output we have got 0. So this is the symbol logical operators. So we can see the program symbol program of logical operators. Here I have opened written the header file of C program, hash include stdio.h. Next I have started the main function. So in this I have get the value of a equal to 5, b equal to 7 and c equal to 2. So I have printed, so a equal to b, logical AND operator, that is ampersand a equal to c. So a value is 5 and b value is 7. So 5 equal to 7. Condition false, right? So first condition, first is for this we have right 5 equal to 2. Sorry, 7. The value is 7, right? So 5 equal to 7 no, right? Condition is false. First condition is false. The first condition is false, we get the output as 0 only. So just we can check as second also. So a value is a equal to c. So a value is 5 and b value is 2. So this also condition false only. Ampersand equal to so both the condition are wrong, so we get the output 0. For this we get the output 0. So next logical OR operator. So a equal to b, so wrong, right? So next ampersand a equal to c, a equal to b, a equal to c. both the conditions are wrong. So in this we get output 0. Okay, for logical operator we have to get either one condition has to be satisfied, right? So here both the conditions are wrong, so the output is 0. Next, not operator a not equal to a equal to b, so 5 equal to 7, no, condition is not satisfied, so not operator, so both condition is true, so we have get 1. This we have get the output as 1. This is the logical operator. This is the concept of logical operator. Now we are going to see about bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is nothing but which is used to, which is helps to operate the individual bit of an operand. So which is said to be as bitwise operators. In this we have bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, exclusive OR operator, bitwise complement operator, left shift and right shift operators. These are the operators performed in bitwise operators. So first, this is the example, one of the small example of bitwise operator. So now I have taken the value a equal to 10. The value of a is 10 and the value of b is 2. So the value of a is 10. The binary value of 10 is 1010 and the binary value of 2 is 0010. I have taken the 4-bit value. So now I have done a bitwise b. So a bitwise b. So in AND operator, bitwise AND operator, if both the inputs are 1, we will get 1. Otherwise it will be 0. So we have already studied the operator AND operator, and so if both inputs are 0, we get the output 0. This is a, this is b, and this is output. So if the first value of first input is 0 and the second input is 1, then also we get the value 0. The first input is 1 and second input is 0, so we get the value output 0. So both the inputs are 1, we get the output 1. So same operation performed in this, so bitwise AND. So if both the inputs are 1, which means only our output is 1. So same. You see first 0, 0, 0. Both are 0, right? So we get 0. So next 1, 1. Both are 1, right? So we get 1. So 0, 0. Both are 0, so we get 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0, which means also 0. So we get 0. So a bitwise b, which is equal to 0010, which is the binary value of 2. So we get the output as 2. So next bitwise OR, bitwise OR a or b, which is equal to, in OR operator, here I am going to write OR operator. If either one input is true, it will be true, right? So I set as a b as input and output b. So 0 0. If both the inputs are 0, we get 0. If first input is 0, second input is 1, we get the output 1. So first input is 1, second input is 0, we also get the output is 1. So if both the inputs also 1 means also our output is 1. So here here I have done a bitwise OR. So here first both the inputs are 0, so I have get 0. First input is 1 and second input is also 1, so I have get 1. So here 0 and here also 0, so we get out we get here 0. So here 1, first bit is 1 and b's first bit is 0, so a 0 we get 1. So 1010, our binary value or decimal value of 1010 is 10. So we get the output a bitwise OR is 10. So next a XOR b, or we can say as a exclusive OR. In this we have to take exclusive OR condition. In exclusive OR condition, if both the inputs are same, we get output as 0. If both the inputs are different. Either if different, we get the output as 1, which means if both the inputs are 0, we get 0, or if both the inputs are 1, we get 0. If the first input is 0 and second input is 1, we get 1. The first input is 1 and second input is 1, we get 1. So this is the condition followed by exclusive OR. So I am writing here XOR gate. So I perform XOR gate condition. So A, B, output. So 0, both the inputs are 0, we get 0. So both the inputs are same means we get 0. So here first input is 0, second input is 1, we get 1. Both the inputs are different means we get 1. So same condition applied here. So both the inputs are same means we get 1. Sorry, 0. So in exclusive OR you have to keep in mind both the inputs are same in 0, different means 1. That's the here. So both the inputs are same in 0, different means 1. So same concept is applied here. So in this I have done A exclusive OR B. So we get the output 8. So and next complement of A, which means for A's complement I have taken, so value of A is 1010, right? So 1010 value of, this is the value of A 1010. So I have taken for complement, we have first need to take 1's complement and we have to add with 1, that is 2's complement. So first 1's complement means the complement of first terms, right? Complement of A. So 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. This is the 1's complement. Then we have to add this output plus 1. So plus 1 means 0. So 1, 1, 0. So here we have borrow 1. So that is 1. So same 1, 0. This is the A's complement. A's complement value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 is the A's complement value, which is equal to 6. Next, left shift operator, A left shift of 2. So I have left shift, you have to shift this side. So if you shift so this is your value, right? So this you can write this as like this. 1010 left shift of 2, which means 1000. So this 2 value is left shifted and we have to add last 2 digits as 0. So same the concept is applied here. Right shift of 2. So right side you have to 2 value inserted 0. So 10. This is the concept of bitwise operator. In increment operator, so we have two syntax. So plus plus variable name and variable name plus plus. So in plus plus variable name, first it will be increment the value by 1 and then it will be follow the expression. So in variable name plus plus, first it follow the expression and then it will be incremented. This is the difference of increment operators of plus plus variable name and variable name plus plus. So here I have used the one small example. So in I equal to 10. So here first I have incremented the value plus plus variable name. So plus plus variable name means, so first it will be incremented and then it will be perform the expression, right? So here, so plus plus means 10 plus 1. So incremented by 11. So we get the output 11. So same concept is used in decrement operator. Here also we have two syntax, minus minus variable name and variable name minus minus. In minus minus variable name, we have first decrement the value and then we have solved the expression. So variable name minus minus, first it will be solve the expression and then it will be incremented by minus minus. So here see one small example, int I equal to 10. So printf percentage %d minus minus I. So value of I is 10. So minus minus I means it will be decremented by 1. So which means 10 minus 1 which is equal to 9. So printf percentage %d slash n I minus minus. I minus minus means now the I value is 9. So I value is decremented by 9. So now here it won't be 8, it will be 9. After that only it will be stores as 8. Now we are going to see about conditional operator. Conditional operator is also called as ternary operators. So syntax of conditional operator is condition, so question mark, expression 1 colon expression 2, which means here we have given one condition. If the condition is satisfied, first expression is evaluated. If the condition is not satisfied, the second expression is evaluated. This is the conditional operator or ternary operator. Here one of the small example I have given. So a value is 10, b value is 20. So first I have given the condition a less than b. If the a less than b are, so 10 less than 20 are true, condition is true. If the condition is true, first expression is evaluated. So what's the output of this? Output is said to be as a is lesser. So we get the output a is. So next less. We have last operator, special operator. So in here we have three operators: size of operators, address operators returns the address of variable name, and star which specifies pointers to a variable. So these are the operators. In this video we have learned what is operators, what are the types of operators. So here what are the types we have learned? So arithmetic operators, assignment operators, logical operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, increment or decrement operators, conditional operators, and last special operators. These are the 8 operators we have learned in this video. And thank you.